best friend is in their car right there. Because of her ass, I was exposed to somebody trying to celebrate her damn birthday. The line is moving pretty fast, though, for the most part. We was, I don't know, like all the way over there, and we done came around. So when we got her, I got her at like, what, 8:55, I think, and it's 9:12, and I'm almost to the front over there. So, oh gosh, here we go. All right.
Information together, somebody will come out and get your information, and they will come back and swab you. Okay?
Okay.
I don't know what happened. I'm sorry. Go ahead and swab just a little bit. Just gonna get you taken care of, okay?
So my ass done been here since 8:55. It's 9:48. I called, scheduled my appointment, gave him all my information and shit, and I get here. My friend, she good, she done, she went on about her business. I'm sitting here and have to fucking wait because they all of a sudden don't have my information. And he done came out here 3 times to get information from me, and it's like, dude, get all the information you need at once. Let them come out here and fucking swab me. This is fucking annoying. Like, me in this car in front of me, and then sat here for I don't know how long with them doing this, and like 5, 6 cars behind us, and then been able to go. Like, what the fuck they got going on, bruh? This is annoying my soul right now. I'll be back, y'all. Are you still not coming to me? Bruh. Y'all. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. I cut this damn camera on because I think they coming to me, and nope, she said, oop. Next car. Oh my gosh, I'm so irritated. I don't even know how to function right now. I'm so fucking irritated. Guess we'll be back again, guys.
I am so sorry about that wait. I know that we have to have them go up front and put your stuff in the computer, and then you go to the lab and all that kind of good stuff. But thank you for waiting. Have you had one of these done? Okay. If you just look forward and tilt your head up for me, okay? Alright, here we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. Okay.
Whew.
Alright, you got waited all this time for this.
I know.
Alright, you have a good day, hon.
Thank you, too. Ooh. Oh, I hate having to get that shit done. Oh, let me take my ass home, child. Well, actually, I got more shit to do. Oh, y'all almost didn't see it, cause oh damn. I'll be back, y'all. Child, I ain't never seen them come and pick up big jump. I didn't know they had a thing that big. But I mean, I guess it makes sense if we picking up big junk. This is so crazy. I wish I had caught it in time. They picked up a mattress. Dang, I guess he got to get in and out and do that. Oh, wow. Anywho, moving on. Y'all, this is what I be doing. This is so ridiculous. Maybe I should name my channel The Adventures of Sharnice, because this is what I be doing, y'all. I be thinking my little car can do some things, and I already took the strap off or whatever, but I am so extra. Okay, y'all, we got it inside the house. Oh, I'm out of breath. I'm so tired. We got it inside the house. Now we gotta take it down this hallway and put it in here. Right there. Whoo, child. I'm so tired. My husband's still in here yet. So I'm trying to be superwoman and do this by myself, y'all. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Whew. Let's do this. I love it. It really like completes the room. Oh my goodness. And it makes it feel like so much more spacious in here. Oh, excuse me. I absolutely love it. Now I just need to get some curtains, and then, you know, we looking good. I love it. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like at nighttime with the big light off. I brought the lamp out of the guest room and just put it in here temporarily just to get the cozy vibe. I'm gonna show y'all real quick what it looks like when I have the lamp over there, because that's where I had it one day when I was in here chilling. Oh my goodness, is this not a vibe? Maybe I like it best because it's just more homey, more warm with the lamp over here, and then I like how it bounces off the plant, like the shadow and all that. I absolutely love it, y'all. I am like so in love with my office. I call it like my woman cave, or I'll probably come up with some nice little name for it. But I absolutely love it, y'all. I mean, this couch right here made it, well, it's a futon because it does let out into a bed. It made the biggest difference. Like, it really brought, I can't talk. It really brought the room together, y'all. I love it. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. I'm still gonna make some changes. This wall is too bare for me. And then I wanna switch out some stuff. So, but yes, this is what it's looking like, y'all. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in Vlogmas. Bye.